Hello everyone, I'm Salminia from the first group. In here I will explain about the material of compound complex sentence. Then I will present it with my friends. They are Fitratul Muslimah, Nabila Prihatini, Nurul Khairunisa, and the last one is Septi Kurnia. But before it, I just want to thank you for the moment. So at this time, we can present this material by video. So let's get started. And it is the outline to this presentation. The first we will talk about definition of compound complex sentence, and then the second one we will talk about how to identify it, and then the next one will provide one picture, and the last one we will explain about the example based on the picture.
Definition of compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence is a combination of complex sentence and compound sentence. Compound complex sentence has at least two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. Dependent clause is a sentence that cannot stand alone but must be in conjunction with other sentences. An independent clause is a sentence can stand alone without the help of other sentences.
At this time, I'm going to talk how to identify whether a sentence is a compound complex sentence or not. So the first, we should know what are the characteristics of compound complex sentence. Like Fitratul said before, compound complex sentence has two independent clauses joined with one or more dependent clauses. So it means we should search an independent clause in the relevant sentence. Then we should find and relate the first independent clauses to the other clause. Next, we search or find a dependent clause. The last, ask to yourself and understand the sentence whether it has conjunction or not. So why do we have to ask ourselves about the conjunction in that sentence? Yeah, because it is the important point to identify compound complex sentence. For your information, if two clauses are connected with a coordinating conjunction, as we remember the acronym of FANBOYS or VANBOYS, it is called a compound sentence. But if two clauses are connected with a subordinating conjunction, like if, while, though, when, and then the, etc., because there are a lot of subordinating conjunction, it is called a complex sentence. So yeah, that is the differences between them. So this is the picture, which is related to the examples of compound complex sentence from our group. Yeah, I have already provided the example of compound complex sentence. As you can see in the slide, the weather is nice. So my family and I can go to the beach because we love it to have fun with our family. Then I will explain one by one the clauses in that sentence. The first, the weather is nice. It means the first independent clause for my compound complex sentence. Why? Because that is a complete sentence all on its own. Then, when I combine the weather is nice with the clause, so my family and I can go to the beach, it will become a compound sentence. And it means that is another complete sentence which continues the action and at least as important as the first independent clause. Then in here, I'm using the word of so before the word my family as coordinating conjunction to join two clauses when the first clause is the reason for the second clause. Then the next, I have already provided a dependent clause. As you can see, because we love it to have fun with our family, yeah, it means dependent clause in the compound complex sentence. Why? Because that clause could tell us more about the situation or explain the reason related to the action, but it cannot be a complete sentence on its own. So yeah, that is for my explanation about this example. I think it's enough. Thank you.
The next example is, because today is the weekend, my family went on vacation to the beach and I brought my beloved dog. The dependent clause of the sentence is, because today is the weekend. The first independent clause is, my family went on vacation to the beach. The coordinate conjunction is and the second independent clause is, I brought my beloved dog.
Hi everyone, hi, I'm Yolanda. I am Septikuna Lestari. This is an example 3 of compound complex sentence. For example, after we ate dinner, my family walked along the beach and we got sand all over our feet. Independent clause is after we ate dinner. Independent clause is my family walked along the beach, and coordinate conjunction is and then the second independent clause is we get sand all over outfit. Thank you.
Okay guys, my name is Nabila Prihatini. I will give you another example about compound complex sentence. Okay, you can see the example in here. That is, it's a wonderful beach and my family enjoyed this vacation. After all this time, we were in the Francis city. Oke, di sini terdapat 2 independent clause dan 1 dependent clause. Oke, sebelum kita masuk ke dependent clause, yang pertama itu ada it's a wonderful beach and my family enjoyed this vacation. That is compound sentence. Kenapa bisa disebut compound sentence? Karena terdapat 2 independent clause dan 1 conjunction yang menghubungkan antara dependent clause yang pertama dengan independent clause yang kedua. Independent clause yang pertama yaitu it's a wonderful beach, lalu diikuti oleh conjunctionnya and, lalu diikuti oleh independent clause yang kedua yaitu my family enjoyed this vacation. Oke, next ke after. After adalah kata penghubung antara compound sentence dengan dependent clause. Jadi after di sini itu sebagai conjunction. Lalu di sini ada all this time we were in the Francis city, that is dependent clause. Jadi kalau digabungin semuanya, it's a wonderful beach and my family enjoyed this vacation. After all this time we were in the Francis city, that is compound complex sentence. Oke, terima kasih.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me next the PPT from Nabila. In this part, I wanna explain about example 5. In this example, I have the sentence. The sentence is, we on the beach vacation. After we finish the target in the office, and we get the judge's can in this place. Okay, dependent clause, we on the beach vacation after. The first independent clause, we finish the target in the office. The second independent clause, we get the judge's cane in this place. And coordinate conjunction is and. Thank you.
We hope our explanation of compound complex sentence has been helpful in general and you can enjoy and more understand about this material. So yeah, the last I want to thank you for your attention and goodbye.